The 20th topic is also on definite integrals. Now, over here, definite integrals means you will know the limits. So limits are known. So whenever limits are known, that means definite integral problems can be solved and calculated directly. But now if you see the problems over here, it's all complicated. So over here it's 5. You can easily use the calculator. But what about this and this? I'll tell you a method to use the calculator. All you need to do is type in as it is integral alpha x into root x plus, sorry, that is alpha x over here, plus 3 divided by x. Now, the limits are from 1 to 4. And press equal to, you will get some answer which is not there in the options. So it's 16.558. Okay, it'll be 9 anyways. So now over here, okay, now there's one more thing. What is the answer for 3 divided by x? So it's a confusion. In some places you can see log. Log means base 10, whereas natural logarithm is base e. So this is a difference. So if you put log, you will not get the answer. Wherever there is log, if at all there is log in your option, I guess they might give you ln itself, but if at all there is log, it's fine. Just don't put log, just put lan over here. Instead of log, put lan. Now, this was the answer using calculator, because the calculator definition is not log, it will always be ln. Okay, even the computer softwares, most of the time they'll consider 1 by x as 3 ln, sorry, len or natural logarithm x. Okay, so now what we will do is we will just solve this in the calculator. So it will be 62 divided by 5 plus 3. Don't put log, put ln 4, and the answer will be the same. The matching answer, the 4 options, right? Only one option will match, and that will be your correct answer. So this is the thing. Okay, you can try this all by yourselves. Now, even over here, let me just do this integral. It is 6 into e. That is, how do you get this e? Don't press alpha and over here. That means you can get e, but you won't get the power. Then you need to do it like this. You can do that, but easiest method is shift and ln. That is e. Minus 3 alpha x. Now plus 4. Over here it is 0, and up over here it is 1. And press equal to, you'll get the answer. Now it's not matching. I'll just keep in mind 5.9. Let me solve all the values. 2, it's minus 2, divided by e to the power 3 plus 6. Sorry, plus 6 is over here, the fraction. Now it should be 5.9, and that's the correct answer. So always remember one thing. You can do it by integrating. You can integrate it and apply the limit. It's the same thing, but it's just going to take you lots of time. Whereas doing it in calculator and checking for the answer will be much easier. Now over here, it's the same thing. All problems are very straightforward, but just remember when you have trig functions, let me do this last one. When we have trig functions, 2 sine alpha x, that is alpha, okay, it's alpha x, close the bracket, minus cos x. And now you put the value pi by 2, that is shift and pi divided by 2 pi, isn't it? Now just be careful with one thing. If I press equal to now, I'll not get the correct answer. I need to make it in radian mode, that is to shift mode and 4. Only now I'll get the correct answer, that is 3. So please make sure any trigonometric function you have to have radian mode on. Now if you're thinking how will you put CSC, cosecant, it's not there, right? Remember 1 by sine is cosecant, okay? Whereas 1 by cos is secant. So you need to use that. Over here for tan as well, cot as well, you need to put 1 by tan and then solve it, and then you will get the answer. Same way you can try all the others, but you won't get the answer like this. You will get it in a decimal way. You need to just check the answers later on. Please try them by yourself. Whichever method, if you like to drive, you can drive it and then try. However, try it and then check the answers. Over here, all the answers have been solved and shown. Okay, one thing over here, Okay, it's good that I just scrolled down here. Now, these cases you cannot do direct calculator method. Why? Because over here the terms are unknown. See, it's definite integral, but t unknown value is given. So if it is this case, see, generally they have given a simple problem over here. I'll just solve this quickly. E to the power x by 2 is half, and you're squaring this. That means basically you're multiplying the power by 2 cancels. What is e to the power x derivative? It is now over here e to the power x itself. So derive e to the power x, sorry, integrate over here and apply the limits. Upper limit is t, lower limit is 0. How do you apply the limits? It's always upper limit minus the lower limit. So e to the power t minus e to the power 0. Anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So you will have e to the power t minus 1. This is this method. Now over here, likewise, sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. That is a standard formula which we must remember always. So now this dissolves to 1. Integrate this 0 to t dx. The integration of a constant will be x. Now constant over here is 1x and the t to 0. So now I'll just use the upper limit. It'll be, sorry, not power. It'll just, x will be turned, instead of x, you have to put the upper limit t. Minus 0 will be 0. So it'll be only t. So this is how we solve it. I hope this are clear. So do try other problems as well and check the answers.